Hello, good morning everybody. In the worst snowstorm of the year, January 25th, I just living in Upper East Side. We have about 1 foot snow has fallen. This blower trucks, they have moved this snow away from the street here on 79th Street. These are people shoveling, they're doing snow shoveling, and this road has been kind of like cleared up, but a lot of snow and icy rain falling. So banded up, but temperature is around 20 degrees outside, well below freezing temperature. Some buses are running, cars are running, but plenty of snow, and it's going to be snowing the rest of the day till I think in the evening. So there's been a lot of power outage, not in the city, but outside. I read in the newspaper. But this is First Avenue. Look at this amount of snow. It's like a snow river here. Wow. How to cross the road. 4 seconds left. Cross. There's a Citibank here. It's hard to pass the street here. I'm on this crossing of 79th Street. You can see few people, they're waiting for bus. Very slippery. There's crosstown buses coming. I got a Valentina store. It's very cold. Look at the amount of snow. You can hear the snow falling like a mixed of rain. I won't be staying outside for very long. It's very cold. Yeah. So this is the snow situation here in First Avenue. People are struggling to cross the road. There are people snow shoveling. Some yellow cabs, they're available. It's a pretty miserable day here. The wind is blowing, very cold. I'm here in the middle of this First Avenue and 78th Street. My hands are outside, but it's very cold. I'm showing you 360 degree. Try to pick up some food here. These bicycles are covered, half of it is in the snow covered. Somebody has picked up some food. Very slippery here. Most of the stores are closed. Go to a Chinese place, they're usually open. Super taste and pick up food here. Came to the Chinese place, pick up some very cold, but it's comfortable here. Some stewed pork, Taiwanese style. Few places trying to customers try to pick up lunch, and go pick this up, take it home, and enjoy that. It's very cold out. These cars are struggling in the snow, slowly moving. This avenue, they haven't cleaned up the snow yet. The snow plowers are coming frequently, but on the streets, I see like there's another one coming from that side. You see these flashing lights. Yeah, that's like a snow blower truck, so you can see like they're blowing the snow. Okay, I'll cross the road here. I'm struggling to cross the road, First Avenue. here it is. This is the looking north. There's a snow blower. We got the sunglass crossing. 360-degree. I'm showing you. Plenty of snow. About the foot is covering basically all these, like, you know, baskets, all these trolleys. I'm in Agata Valentina store. Nice to get some cup of coffee here. We always go to have a cup of coffee. Get to Agata Valentina store inside. Get some food. There are not too many people here. We'll get some fruits. It's a very nice store. It's kind of expensive. Store. Get some bagels. The fish section. People on the line. বৰ্তমান নিউয়ৰ্ক চিটিত এইটো হৈছে ৱৰ্ষ্ট স্ন'স্টৰ্ম 2026 জানুৱাৰী 25th। মই নিউয়ৰ্কত আছোঁ, আপাৰ ইষ্ট ছাইড ওলাই আহিলোঁ আমাৰ চাবৰ কাৰণে। আৰু এই স্ন'স্টৰ্মটো কেনেকুৱা, কিমান স্ন' পৰিছে দেখুৱাবৰ কাৰণে। বহুত স্ন' পৰিছে, এইটো দেখিছোঁ নহয়, এই প্ৰায় 1-2 ফুট স্ন' জমা হৈছে ইয়াতে। স্ন' ব্ল'ৱাৰবিলাকে চব ইয়াতে মানুহে ট্ৰাভেল কৰি স্ন'বিলাক উলিয়াই দিছে। Thank you. How are you? Good, man. So, there is a snow blower. This is in front of the building. They এনেকৈ চাফ কৰি দিব লাগে, নহ'লে কৰিলে আকৌ স্ন'বিলাক ব্ল' কৰে। এনেকৈ গুচাই দিয়ে স্ন'বিলাক। এইটো মেচিন আছে ইয়াতে। আৰু পিনে বগা বগা স্ন'। মানুহ বেছি নাই আজি, বহুত স্ন' পৰিছে। খোজকাঢ়িলে পিছল আৰু এনেকুৱা স্ন' আৰু ৰেচ মিক্সড, বৰষুণ শ্লিপাৰী। খোজকাঢ়ি আহি আছোঁ। আই এম ফিলিং লাইক এলিছ ইন দ্য ৱাণ্ডাৰলেণ্ড। কোনো নাই ইয়াতে, ইমান 10,000 কিলোমিটাৰ দূৰত অকলে অকলে ঘূৰি আছোঁ। ইয়াতে কিছুমানে বজাৰ কৰি আহিছে আৰু স্ন'বিলাক চাওক, একদম মাউণ্টেইনৰ দৰে একদম স্ন' ইয়াতে জমা হৈ গৈছে। গাড়ীবিলাক এইটো 2 ফুটমান পৰিছে ইয়াতে। এইটো ড্ৰিফ্ট হৈ ইয়াতে 3 ফিটমান হ'ব চাগে ইয়াতে স্ন'। যিখন গাড়ী প্ৰায় এতিয়াই গুচাই নিদিলে এইবিলাক ফ্ৰ'জেন হৈ গ'লে গাড়ীবিলাক এই স্ক্ৰেপ কৰিব বিৰাট দিগদাৰী। যেতিয়ালৈ গৰম নহয় এনেকৈ মানে ফ্ৰ'জেন হৈ থাকিব। এইটো আমাৰ বিল্ডিং, মই ইয়াতে থাকোঁ, গতিকে এবাৰ দেখাই দিলোঁ। আছোঁ ইয়াতে। আপোনালোকে য'ত আছে ইমান ঠাণ্ডা নহয় চাগে অসমত, গতিকে ভালে থাকক। ইয়াতে চাগে ৰাতি হৈছে, ইয়াতে আবেলি 2:30মান বাজিছে সন্ধিয়া, গতিকে ইণ্ডিয়াত এতিয়া 1টামান বাজিছে ৰাতি। গতিকে কিছুমান চৰাই উৰি আছে, এইবিলাক ব্ল'ৱাৰ স্ন' চাবুল কৰা এইবিলাক ট্ৰাক হয়, এখনৰ পিছত এখনকৈ আহি আছে। ইয়াতে ৰাস্তাটো চাফ কৰি দিয়ে, নহ'লে গাড়ী চলাব নোৱাৰে। স্ন'ত চব আটকি ধৰে ইয়াতে। এইবিলাক দিছে, গুচাই দিয়ে। এখনত 3টা এটা ল' কৰি হেৰি কৰি দিয়ে, চাফ কৰি দিয়ে থাকে। হাতত বিৰাট ঠাণ্ডা লাগিছে, থাকিব নোৱাৰি আৰু ঘৰত সোমাই যাওঁ। -13 ডিগ্ৰী চেণ্টিগ্ৰেড, ইয়াতে 9 ডিগ্ৰী ফাৰেনহাইট। যাওঁগৈ ভিতৰত, বাই বাই। The dog is been walked. Yeah, so it'll be pretty bad next few days. It's going to be very cold. The nighttime temperature is going to be 9 degree, meaning around 13 degrees centigrade. It's almost dangerous to be outside at night. But at least I'll be able to show you this. The snow storm, the worst day of this year. So please stay warm wherever you are. Stay happy and healthy. God bless.